Like what? Bitch. After a month? Let me take my hair down real quick. Let me show y'all what we're working with. Hey guys, I didn't film an intro, but right now I'm going to be explaining to you what this video will be about. So first off, I'm going to be unbraiding my hair after having my braids in for 2 weeks, and then after I'm going to show you how I make the rice water, and then I'm going to wash my hair. After washing my hair, I'm going to start the rice water journey for I guess like 5 or 7 days, and then I'm going to be showing you the results after 7 days, 2 weeks, and then a month. Call me corny, but I had to order rice off of eBay. I looked everywhere on the web for this rice and I couldn't find it, and then finally I found it on eBay. This is the rice. It is in rich long grain rice, Gulf Pacific. To get better results, we're gonna add a little bang bang pow to it. Every day I'm going to be applying the rice water, and then every day I'm going to be using this scalp massager. So all you will need is rice, a bowl or a cup, a measuring cup, a pot, a colander, and a bottle of water. So pour a good amount of rice into the bowl or cup, and then place it in the pot. It's almost equivalent to half a cup. Then after, we are going to wash the rice. I like to wash my rice 2 times. Sometimes I wash it 1 time, and there are some people who don't wash it at all. The reason I wash the rice first is to lift the dirt and stuff off of it. The minerals and the rich proteins that we need for our hair is in the second wave. So the first wave is just dirt, second wave is stuff we need. Alright, so now that it's all washed out, we are going to pour 2 cups of water into the pot where the rice is. And then I'm just like mixing it around, like swirling it around, just so it could get like cloudy. Because when it's cloudy like that, I know that the good stuff is swirling around. All I'm doing is covering it with the pot and then coming back the next day at that same time. Do y'all hear that? It's doing its stuff. Are we on time? We are close. It's 3:29. One more. 3:30. So after sitting overnight, you can see that it's getting cloudy, which is a good sign. And now I'm just like mixing it around some more so it can just get cloudier. The cloudier, the better. Now I'm going to get a smaller colander and I'm going to pour the rice water out of the pot and into a water bottle. And I'm leaving the excess rice in the pot because we no longer need that. So right now I'm just showing you what the solution should look like. It should just look cloudy. You won't really see anything like interesting yet. After shaking it up, I'm going to place it in the cabinet for another 24 hours. Bye!
I put it behind the lemon thing so that no one mistakes it for water.
Hey guys, so this will be the first day I'm applying my rice water to my hair. I originally had planned on doing it every morning, but I just didn't have time to apply it before work. So this is just my hair. It's still like freshly washed, nothing added to it, no product, no nothing. I didn't even comb it out, I didn't even touch it. Like, this is pure and fresh. We're doing a little natural. Girl, if you don't stop. So as you can see, I'm pouring the rice water first and then I'm adding regular water on top of it.
Girl.
So I've been very inconsistent with the rice water, but I'm back on the road and I'm gonna stay consistent. So today is day 2 of the rice water. The same amount of rice water you add is the same amount of water you add on top of it, or more. This is how much rice water I have left, but I think it's day 3 or day 4, but either or. I got 3 or 4 more days to go. So I'm not gonna hold you, but I don't know what day of the rice water that I'm on. This will be the last day. Listen to Jazz. What's the song? So I can get copyright. It's been like maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I'm busy. I'm a busy person at work. I'm a full-time college student. You know, I'm busy. So I don't really be having time for my hair, but so here we are like a month later. I just unbraided my hair after having it in braids for 2 weeks. This is the length she's giving. This is the length she's giving. She's giving pretty long. So yeah, my hair is like inches, baby, inches. Bitch, like, oh, 10 inches. What is that? This is the side of my hair. Let's just see where that's going, if it's going anywhere. Oh, we gotta stretch her. 11 inches. And did y'all see how long this thing went? After a month? still 8 inches. Mind you, the left side is shorter than my right side because when I cut it, you know, it was cut up proportionately. 11 inches, 6 inches, ooh, 10 inches, 7 inches. I'm bringing y'all the facts, I'm bringing y'all the tips. Let's get straight to it. Okay. So now I'm just gonna refresh your memory in case you didn't realize that my hair did grow. It didn't grow like an amazing length, but like it grew about 1 inch or more. 11 inches over time. And from my other rice water videos, you can see that it helped grow my hair in length and in thickness as well. But I suggest that you do not use rice water all the time and that you always dilute it, because if you do not dilute it, your hair is gonna fall out. I promise you, your hair is gonna fall out. Okay, rice water is a strong protein treatment, and the water that we add to the solution dies it down a bit, so it's not as strong. Well, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Just for Show gang.